Have you ever seen automation equipment 3 floors high? Today, the factory visited specializes in the production of all kinds of material protective films. In addition to the new formula, the production equipment is also unique. How? Let's find out. This large automated machine is a film blowing machine. It can produce all kinds of films, the size of 2 foldable films in 1 hour. You see? Pour the raw material particles into the harbor. The suction machine sucks in too. The raw material particles are mixed here and heated to melt. Filtered by the machine head to remove impurities. Under the action of pressure, they are extruded from the membrane head in cylindrical shape in 3 layers. Then, inject a certain amount of compressed air into the membrane tube, so that the film tube expands laterally to form a film bubble. A 24-meter high film blowing machine is composed of 4 parts: hose part, traction part, winding part, and control cabinet. The film bubble is continuously moved upwards by the rotating tractor. The bubble stabilizer controls its center position so that it doesn't shift. After being cooled by the air ring, the film bubble is changed from a tube to a sheet with handball plate. An anti-adhesion roller with holes is used on the top. It further flattened to form flat sheet film. The film enters the winding device at a constant speed for further cooling, and finally is rolled by friction on both sides. And the roll is changed automatically after the winding is completed. The production process is automated. Only need to set the size, thickness, etc. here. The production is about 200,000 square meters a day. Here is a rewinding workshop. The main function of this rewinding machine is to turn the large master rolls into small rolls. With electrostatic film, set the number of meters according to the demand. Use the multiplexing device and the function keys to make the film direction evenly distributed on each roller. Rectify, exhausted, and correct. 18 meters per minute. Here is the cutting workshop. Through this automated cutting machine, cut out of the protective film without burrs. Water can't enter. Adopting precision servo motor with high precision ball screw and linear slide rail for driving, followed by straight knife slitting, trimming treatment. The whole process has no powder. Beautiful cross-section without bulging edges. It has strong toughness as tested by a tensile testing machine, and can withstand high temperature even in an hour at 90 degrees. This anti-static, no fog, no dye value, and other functions of the protective film. Widely used in optical glass, high-light injection parts, automotive leisure, and other fields. Play a dusty-proof, anti-scratch, and other rules. Well, that's the end of today's video. I'm Sasa. Want to know about Automation Factory? Subscribe to keep following us. See you next time!